soon, but
She's wearing my bikini bottoms!
So is doing here, just hopping on real quick to say that Tevye did not put any effort in this video whatsoever, so I'm editing it for her, and basically here, she did not put anything before this clip. She did not say, hey, we're doing a boat tour. She did not say, hey guys, it's me, Tevye. So I have to do it for her, so just enjoy. I added this little text for you. It's basically the best editing you'll ever see. MTV, welcome to my crib, boat tour edition.
This is the cockpit.
The seamless bifocals.
Down here is the swim deck. And you can see out to the water and hang your feet off the back. And then there's like a staircase back up. Captain's chair.
Yeah, I put it on yesterday and he had not moved it.
And the cabin. Yeah. That's the kitchen. This is the sitting area and the table. Down there is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. That's the master bathroom. Oh, and everything else is a closet, and this is a TV.
Why would you need to watch TV when you have the ocean view, though?
I don't know. Ask my parents.
Okay.
And then there's more.
Your sister said, "Yo, get out."
Yeah. This is where we keep storage for like cups and stuff. I'm giving them a tour. This is the bathroom. Here's a little trick. You can get...
This is nicer than the airport.
I know. You can get to this room from the bathroom. And that's my sister flipping us off. And that's the official tour.
It is 1:29 a.m. I am still editing this right now.
There you go, Maury.
I'm single.
You're what? Single by Domingo, Maury? Fellas, come get Maura. I'll give you guys her Snapchat right there. We'll add it right there.
Maura is single and she is ready to mingle. Come get her.
We're gonna add it in the video. We're gonna add a thing of you right there. Anything you want to say to your
admirers,
Maura?
That's not saying anything. That's waving.
I'm saying hi in emotion.
The words didn't come out. Go Tevye.
Or I'm your try.
Hey, you're skinny.
We love a skinny legend.
Dog it down. Oh, how fried chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls, just me and my boys making fried chicken.
She's wearing my bikini bottoms.
Your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to